Embattled Honolulu prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro is taking a leave of absence. The state attorney general filed a petition with the Hawaii Supreme Court seeking Kaneshiro's temporary removal after he received a target letter from federal investigators. Manolo Morales has an update. Manolo?
Yeah, Joe, this resolves one petition, but there is another one that is still moving forward that is geared to force Kaneshiro out of office permanently. Today was the deadline for Kaneshiro to respond to the AG's petition. In a statement, he said, "I remain dedicated to my commitment to the voters who elected me. To ensure the continuity of orderly administration of justice, I am taking leave from my position and delegating the responsibility to Dwight Nadamoto." He adds, "I have great confidence that those in the Department of the Prosecuting Attorney will continue to conscientiously perform our mission of enforcing the law." The move does not change anything regarding the petition filed by businessman Tracy Yoshimura, who wants Kaneshiro to step down permanently.
For now, we're going to keep pressing ahead, being that would be a permanent solution to this issue until it becomes known, what the official status of Mr. Kaneshiro is, what the final outcome is. We will keep pressing forward.
A circuit court judge still has to determine if the signatures Yoshimura collected are valid, while the city council is poised to approve $75,000 of taxpayers' money to pay attorney William McCorrison, who is representing Kaneshiro.
Because all of this happened before, when he was employed by the city, and he's still employed by the city. So, and McCorrison has been doing the work, representing him in court, so we have to pay this.
I can't guess what went through his mind and what made him make this decision, other than I think it was the correct decision given the situation.
When asked how long Kaneshiro can remain on paid leave, the mayor says this is uncharted territory. He can only hope that it gets resolved as quickly as possible.
It requires both those who are taking the leave to work hard to get their cases resolved, because again, you're not guilty until you go to court and there's a trial, and yet how do you navigate through this kind of ambiguous area?
Now, the city council is scheduled to vote on the funding for Kaneshiro's attorney tomorrow. There is a status hearing on Yoshimura's petition scheduled on Monday. Joe, back to you.
Thanks, Manolo.